BackTrack includes several basic services, such as an Apache server, an OpenSSH server, a TFTP server, a VNC server, etc. These services may be useful in various situations. For example, setting up a TFTP server to transfer files to or from a victim. Before trying to use these services, you need to make sure you have a valid IP address. Depending on your local network, you'll either be assigned an IP address by a DHCP server, or you'll need to assign an address manually. By default, BackTrack will not attempt to get an IP address automatically from the network. This feature limits the footprint created by BackTrack booting. To acquire an IP address via DHCP, simply type in DHClient and the specific interface you're using. In my case, it's ETH0. Pressing Enter should send the DHCP request from our machine, and hopefully, if there's a DHCP server around, we should be assigned an IP address. A quick ifconfig command should show us our IP address. The DHClient process will continue running in the background, so let's quickly kill it. Verify that it's not running. And continue to assign ourselves an IP manually. The commands we need to issue are ifconfig, the interface, and the specific IP address we want to configure. So in this case, let's try 192.168.72.100 and the relevant subnet mask. And once we've set the IP address, we need to set our default gateway. So we need to type in route add default gateway and specify the IP address of our gateway, which in our case is 192.168.72.2. And we'll finish off by configuring our DNS servers, which we can do by echoing name server and the specific IP address of our DNS server into the file /etc resolve.conf. Once we've issued all of these commands, and assuming we're connected to the internet, we should be able to reach a server on the internet using a DNS name. Let's try that by pinging Google. Excellent. So we've got an IP address and we're connected to the internet.